Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. And today we'll be reviewing the OnePlus 7T Pro Mclaren 5G. Oh, a huge name for a huge phone. Yes, can't believe it, it's on my hands right now. And as you can see under the sticker, it's written the same thing. And I will get into the specs soon. They're right behind here. I was using a OnePlus 6 earlier and a OnePlus 5T earlier than that. And I'll use this as my daily driver and post a review actually, soon. So getting back into it, it's a OnePlus 7T Pro 5G Papaya Orange, which does look great. These are the specs over here. 5G capable, Qualcomm Snapdragon, and 3 triple camera setup, which we all always love, as well as 4085 milliamp hour battery, non-removable obviously. 30T warp charge, amazing, just can't. It's a huge upgrade from my earlier phone. So 256GB storage obviously, yes, and the Oxygen OS Android 10, which I will soon be getting Android 11 in the near future. So let's get into it. This is the box itself, and let's open it. Oh god, I'm having trouble opening it. I think we're supposed to cut this. Yeah, we are. It isn't that great of a pickaxe, never mind. I'll just use my finger and my hand. It still works. Awesome. The first sticker. Now the second one. Stand by as I'm having some difficulties removing the sticker. Finally, we've got this to be open. Time to reveal the beast. So you're greeted with this wonderful packaging, which has another box inside. Wow, okay. This box has more of a zigzag texture to it, as you can see. And also the Mclaren logo. How cool. T-Mobile OnePlus 7T Pro 5G. Anything on the other side? Nope. Let's get the box. Never settle. Nice. Time to cut this one as well. Are you ready? Cut it. It's pretty smooth. You know, I'm just gonna use my hand because I'm not as perfect as Wiz Queen here, but hand feel more, you know, more like trustworthy than a knife. Okay, here's the sticker away. The second one also away. Easy. That was, oh, that sound. That smooth sound. Oh my god. Here, time to listen to it. Open. Fresh feel. Such a fresh sound, and just the feeling was so fresh. So here we have some paperwork greeted with some, yep, welcome, the guide, T-Mobile. That's aside over there. Here is actually, oh, so you also get a SIM card, and it's from India, so that's amazing. You get a SIM tool over here, and I guess that's it about this one. Some more paperwork. Here, before we get into the phone, we have the charger, 30-watt warp charger. Let's also open this. Oh boy. That sound. So cool. Just slide this out. Perfect. Looks so black. Actually, black is my favorite color, and combined with orange, this looks a killer. Nothing much in here. You just remove this. Nothing else inside. Just put that back. And here is the beauty itself. Here is the beauty. Oh my god. Finally. Well, first let's keep the phone aside. The phone itself. Let's keep it aside. Underneath the phone, we're greeted with another yet beautiful charger of theirs with nice texture. It has some type of cloth texture, but plastic, you know. As you saw, it's actually covered, so that's amazing. And let's see when you put it in. Oh, perfect. Looks like a spring, almost like a spring. Let's connect this inside. Okay, this is actually like a spring, taking some difficulties. Never mind, you just get the idea that how cool this charger itself looks like. I would rather spend much of my time with the charger than actually the phone. So yeah, now let's keep the phone aside, and let's keep the box aside and start up with the phone. I was just told that I'm missing something, and okay, I am mind blown because look what we have here. A small arrow, and just this arrow opens up like, okay, wow, it feels like, oh my god. Okay, I just missed this. I don't know how. I have seen in fact many videos on this, and no wonder why. I guess I'm so forgetful, but so pretty sure this comes up. Yep, it does. What do we have here? No way, they included a cover underneath. Like, wow. Look at this texture, oh my god, and look at this. It feels almost like cloth and leather, oh god. Velvet. It's just so good. And this design. Definitely not a bad choice. Not even the worst choice. It's one of the best phones out there. OnePlus, of course, OnePlus devices. Is there anything in here? I don't think so. Well, time to get this and this together. So, as you already saw, this is the cover. Yeah, right? Such a cool texture, velvet. Let's keep this right here. Yeah. And now the phone itself. It has fingerprint definitely. The cameras with the specifications somewhere over here. It does have the NFC, of course, every smartphone nowadays does. So, time to open. Okay. Just never mind. I tore this. Okay, the smell. Oh my days, the smell. Oh, look, just hear the sound. Okay, it feels so. Some people are gonna be allergic to that. First things off, we remove the sticker. So. Oh my god. Just a second. Finally, this on my hand. There goes the sticker. Out on the side here. Just look at the back, it looks so good. This golden yellowish type, and the top with some type of texture inside. It looks like, you know, those type of textures like when like the wood has on top, you know, looks so cool. It's like mirrored on both of the sides with some rainbow color bouncing off from the light. And voila, the phone itself. Now it's time to boot it up. Actually, before we actually boot, should we put it? Just never mind. T-Mobile. Wow, the beauty itself. It is actually discharged, as you can see right there, it's discharged. So I'm just gonna go keep it in charge and then we'll be right back. By the way, forgot to show you. There is this earpiece grill here and the smooth volume slider button with some texture to it, the power button itself, the volume buttons, the camera of course on the top, the selfie cam, the mic. Here goes the SIM card, USB, and the speaker, also the mic. Time to open it. Thank you guys so much for waiting this long, watching throughout. If you did, hope you guys liked. Do like this video and subscribe. Let's put the phone back in its housing and I will come back with a review on how it is. There are some pros and cons I'd like to talk about, and I have done a gameplay video on another channel of mine. Do check it out in the description. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.